In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Luma AI Dream Machine. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Luma AI. Now, next thing you want to do is go to this link, which is Luma Dream Machine AI Video Generator on the link lumalabs.ai and then Dream Machine. So once you open this website, you'll see lumalabs.ai/dream machine. Now, you will first have to click Try Now at the very top right up here where it says Try Now, and when you click on it, it will ask you to log in. Now, you can easily log in with your Google account. It's very simple. Just press Login with Google and then use one of your Google accounts, and then that's it. You'll be automatically logged in. Now, in here, you want to make sure you are on Create up here, not the API or account, but Create. And then in here, you simply want to type some text or add an image. So it's actually very simple. Now it will also give you an idea here. So what you can generate, as you can see, you can get a prompt guide over here, and it will kind of put you into this website where you can read all about it, how to prompt it, etc., etc. You can read this for a very detailed guide, but I'm not going to go that deep right now. So over here, you just have to type in some text you would like to see and generate. Now, let's say I'm gonna do this one. It just gave me an idea over here. I'm gonna click on this idea and it automatically put that up there. It says grazing cows move slowly across an idyllic meadow, etc. Okay, so in here you want to click enhance prompt or loop. So if you want your video to loop, you can click loop, and then you can also enhance prompt by clicking over here. Now once you're done, you want to press this button over here, the upside arrow, and this will start the generation process of what you've written in here. Of course, you can write whatever you'd like to, and you don't have to click the idea over here, but I just can't bother with writing something in here right now, so I click this. Then as you can see, this will be put into queue. Now it will say created less than a minute ago, or whatever the time may be. And then you'll be able to see kind of the status bar over here, and this will start creating your video. Now once that's done, you'll get a fully created video, and as you can see over here, I've done this 3 months ago. I've got a low angle shot of a majestic tiger, etc. If I now click on this, I'll be able to preview it. As you can see, there is that thing. There's what happened, okay? So it's actually quite cool. Now if you go back, then you can wait for this to load. As you can see, it was quite quickly done actually. If I now click on it, as you can see, I got the exactly thing I requested over here, and it's a looped video because I set it to be a loop video. Now you can delete this, extend this, like it, dislike it, or download it to your computer. When you click download, this will just simply download, and when you click on it, you will of course get it to open up, and as you can see, it opens up. It has this Luma AI kind of watermark, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's a quick and easy tutorial on how to use Luma AI Dream Machine. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.